Retribution, and I'm here with Busy Spider Gamer. You just said gaming. Lol. Okay. No. Alright. So. Okay. Whatever, Sunny Boy. Whatever. Oh god. God damn it! He's so low! How didn't he die? Yeah, I keep on trying to do that. Cause I'm so used to Call of Duty. Guy up there. God damn it! What gun was he using? Assault rifle. For some reason I don't like the assault rifle. I'm gonna guess A with my teammate here. Oh, I didn't know he was there. Oh my, he would stay there when there's a grenade there? Like, what the hell? No. Damn, we can make a comeback, like Busy said. We can make a comeback. Right, Busy? We can make a comeback, right? I mean, we're not losing by a lot, but we're still losing. Alright, teammate hacked it. I don't see myself using the thing that you can see through walls. I don't use it that much. Yeah, sometimes. Oh, this is a weird looking. Oh, this is a light machine gun. I picked up a light machine gun. I'm going for C. You can't jump over that. What the hell kind of game is this? Teammate, wait, I'm going for C2. Well, never mind. Fudge you. Wow. This light machine gun looks so weird. Why does it look so weird when you aim down sight? He's at B, they're at B. No, I wanted to knife him. It's not a one-shot knife. Come on. Like, I knifed him while he was trying to hack the thing, and it just gave me a hit marker. Then I couldn't knife him again. I don't know why I'm trying to kill them from far with a burst submachine gun. Got him. I'm gonna fall down here. I don't know what's down here. Busy, I'm right behind you. Hey, Busy. I'm going for C. What do you do when you hack the thing? Like, how do you hack it? I guess my teammate knows what it's doing, so he hacked it. That's the first submachine gun. I already have that. There's a guy over here, I think. No? Alright. Alright. Where are they? Like, I can't find them.
Mission objective completion imminent.
I literally cannot find them. You know, I'm gonna use this shit. I'm gonna use the thing. Oh, he's over here. Okay, I found one of them. Oh, I thought I had a grenade. Teammate's getting B. Killing spree, let's go. They're all camping over there, what the hell? No, that's my job. I'm taking them out. Dominating. Let's go. Ah, I'm fourth. God damn it. Hey, at least I did better than Busy. All right. Can you even math? Can you even math? All right. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please like if you did, and alright, Busy, just let me do my outro. Alright. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please like if you did, and subscribe if you're new. Make sure to subscribe to Busy Spider Gamer and Pice.